Welcome to CarCrest, where we bring you detailed insights into the latest in defense, technology, and military-grade innovations. In today's video we take a closer look at the upcoming Nag Missile system projected for the year 2026 with an extended range of 80 kilometers. Designed for precision and dominance in modern combat scenarios, this anti-tank guided missile has made headlines due to its enhanced capabilities and futuristic upgrades. Built by India's premier defense research organization DRDO, the 2026 variant of the Nag Missile is expected to be a game-changer in the battlefield landscape with its long-range strike and fire-and-forget mechanism. One of the key highlights of the 2026 Nag Missile system is its extended range, which now reaches up to 80 kilometers. This is a significant leap from its previous versions, which were confined to shorter tactical distances. With this improvement, the missile can now be launched from farther behind the line of control, giving troops the ability to neutralize heavily armored targets without exposing themselves to enemy fire. The increased range is made possible by advancements in solid propellant boosters and aerodynamic refinements, which improve its velocity and overall flight efficiency. This missile continues to follow the fire-and-forget principle, using imaging infrared seeker technology to lock onto targets. Once fired, the operator does not need to guide the missile, allowing for faster mobility and reducing the vulnerability of the launch platform. The upgraded seeker technology offers better resistance against countermeasures like smoke screens and infrared decoys, ensuring higher hit accuracy even in heavily defended environments. In terms of physical structure, the 2026 version of the Nag Missile boasts a more compact yet lethal warhead. With improved armor-piercing capability, it can now penetrate the most advanced third-generation tanks equipped with reactive armor. The missile is also equipped with tandem-charge high-explosive anti-tank warheads that maximize damage upon impact. Its flight is further stabilized by folding fins that deploy after launch and guide the missile with high agility and precision. Another upgrade in the 2026 version is its smart launch platform integration. The missile can now be launched not only from the traditional Nag missile carrier, but also from modified helicopters and UAVs that are designed to carry and fire these munitions. This multi-platform adaptability increases deployment flexibility and expands strategic use in various terrains, including deserts, mountains, and urban combat zones. The Nag system's guidance technology now includes an improved AI-based target recognition system that identifies tanks and armored vehicles from a cluster of targets. This greatly reduces the chance of misfire and enhances target discrimination. The communication system within the missile and the launcher has been redesigned to resist jamming and spoofing attempts from adversaries, ensuring mission reliability. Thermal signature reduction features have also been introduced to make it harder for enemy forces to detect the missile launch or track it mid-flight. Additionally, advancements in software allow mission data to be updated in real time, even moments before the missile is fired, giving operators the ability to change targets on short notice. The operational success of the Nag Missile in 2026 could reinforce India's position as a major player in indigenous missile development. It not only boosts the country's self-reliance in defense manufacturing but also opens doors to export opportunities with allied nations looking for cost-effective and reliable anti-tank systems. As we wrap up our deep dive into the Nag Missile 80 km 2026 edition, we hope you found this video informative and detailed. CarCrest is committed to bringing you high-quality content about the world's most advanced technologies and defense systems. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest in automotive, aerospace, and military advancements, make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an update.